My name is Audrey Engels. I'm from HD Construction. As you can see, we are busy building the new embassy of the Ivory Coast. Currently, we are busy with the groundworks on the basement area that we are finishing off to start the foundation slabs, and then from there on we're going up to ground floor slab. It's a 3-story high building connecting to the old existing building with staircases. Yeah, that's about it.
Now the guys are doing stripping. They are stripping the panels which were poured concrete, because after pouring we take them out to see how the wall looks like. So we are taking the panels out. They are heavy. Those are the challenges we face, because those panels are heavy. You need to wear a safety harness when going up. Then the safety harness is heavy also. So when you strip them, you must wear a safety harness. And then before we strip, we know that these panels are heavy, they want to fall on one another. So each and everybody must handle them with 100% sure that you grab the panel, because when it falls to somebody's head, that's why we wear some safety harnesses, hard hats, so that safety, when it harms your head, you won't get hurt a lot. That's what we are facing. Some of us are still stamping the ground and the surface needs to be poured. So the stamp using that stamper, it's heavy. When you stamp, you want to stamp your foot. Those are the challenges you face when you stamp your foot. You hurt yourself, something like that. There are many to mention, but we'll just mention some few ones. Thank you very much.